patient is prescribed 0.03 grams of codeine. Your stock dose is 10 milligrams. How many tablets should you give? Let's be careful here now because they're not in the same units. You see that we have grams here and we have milligrams. So let's go from large to small. We're going to convert grams to milligrams and we multiply by 1,000 to do that. So 0.03 grams, we multiply that by 1,000 to turn it into milligrams. And we'll hop the decimal point 3 places. We have 3 zeros here, so 1, 2, 3. So you end up with, it started here, oh no it didn't, scrap that. It started here, the decimal point did, so here, 1, 2, 3, and it lands here. So we end up with 30 mgs, and that's the amount prescribed. The tablets are 10 mgs each. So 30 mgs divided by the tablet amount 10 mgs, we end up with 3. So the answer is 3 tablets.